Hello and welcome to Spirit Forest. I am sorry I did not post a video last week. Some of you have noticed, but I was on an epic adventure that I will show you guys in a future video. I had a blast and I had just arrived. So I've been pretty busy as of lately doing a lot of the cabin stuff, but also having some little, I would say little mini adventures too. I took the kids fishing, yes. And those of you that know, I'm not very successful at fishing in the past, so I'm always apprehensive, but I just hope that the kids would have a really good time. It was a family event. Scott brought his kids, I brought my girls, and we all went fishing. I just was really hoping that everyone would have a good time. I don't think I've ever had so much fun fishing before. As soon as we casted our lines out in the water, there was a bite on the line. Scott was being great and being a nice guide. He was so busy helping everybody and teaching everybody, as my girls normally, well, Madison loves to fish. A lot of you know that she loves to fish, but we're really not successful at it. I'm trying to remember the last time. I don't think she's ever caught a fish while I was with her. But we ended up catching like 14 fish or 12 to 14 fish or something like that. It was crazy and so much fun. I had so much fun doing it. You know what I really liked about it was that everybody was having just so much fun. Everybody was smiling and laughing, and it was actually a pretty windy day, but we were just busy, and it was just a really good bonding experience too. Madison cleaned a fish for the first time. She was so proud of herself. And even Kyla tried it, and she was even scared to hold a fish. I love watching them learn new outdoor skills. We all bonded that day and helped each other out. It was so fun. Scott and I had some alone time as the kids were with the other parent, and so we decided to go hiking and backpacking. Just a really short trip up into the foothills. It was really cool to get outside. I think a lot of times just being outside can really bond people together. We weren't meant to be inside. We're meant to be outside and discover and explore. I get asked a lot how I'm doing, probably because I didn't post last week, so I did have a subscriber ask how I was doing, and I would say I am doing so good. I am so happy lately. I really am. I am just so happy. Feel that happiness comes from within. It doesn't come from having everything in this world. It's not about items or people that you have in your life that to make you happy. It's really about you internally being happy. I feel my life is teaching me to let things go and not take things so personal. And I'm really grateful for that insight. It is because of that that I can truly say I am happy within. I'm so surprised this thing's still. And the trees.
You're like packing.
I need my energy.
You really didn't want me to take that. When you were operating, you couldn't want me to take it.
I would, no.
I could tell you were like this.
Just have to ask Amanda.
Oh.
More? Less?
No, I was just wondering the hot chocolates and things.
To become happy, I don't think it's something you could just do overnight. It's a process, like a math problem, where you need to add things and subtract things, and then eventually you figure out that equation, and then you get that answer of just being truly happy within yourself. No one can tell you what to do to become happy, as everyone's equation is different. So what makes me happy is going to be different than what makes you happy. And only you can define what makes you happy. Well, I would say that definitely camping and being in nature makes me happy, and being around my family makes me happy. But I'm already happy inside. It enhances it. It's that multiplier. So you just got to know what makes you happy and figure that out. I would say that my life is really good right now. So if you're asking me how I'm doing, I am doing awesome because I am so happy. I would say I'm probably the happiest I've been in a long time. I do want to let you know that I still have my event going on this year, and some of you have signed up for it already. Now, I've sent you an email, and if you didn't get an email, let me know. And I have 2 campsites. We can put a bunch of tents on it. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's an opportunity for you to come out, be spontaneous, be happy, and camp with me. I make no money at it. It's basically I'm going, and you're welcome to come with me. It's a lot of fun. You can come and you can just camp if you want, or you can go rafting and kayaking and do some other adventures. There's hiking nearby that you could do. We all pretty much meet at the campsite for some nice fun discussions and just hanging out with some really good people. So if that's something that you're interested in, you can check out my website. That is spiritforestbear.com. It has all the information there. I also have my email there if you're looking at it, but it would be fun if you would like to join me on that event and just be happy. Be happy outside. So anyways, I'm going to let you go. I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye.